Welcome to our channel. Today we draw and color a goldfish. Draw an oval. Then draw 2 round eyes. Draw a cute mouth. Painting a fish liner. Painting a goldfish's fat tail. Fins on both sides of the fish. There's some grass underneath the fish. Reef. Painted fish bubbles. Our work is done. Now let's start stroking and molding. That's great. Now let me get to the colors. Orange. Orange. Yellow. Orange. Orange. Yellow. Orange. 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 Pink. Yellow green. Dark green. Green. Blue. Flesh. Blue. Our work is done. It's very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.